We be worker for inside Konya with Tori people them, Eric Marcel and Mimi. They be there for inside motor for this Saturday we pass. We the struggle for show and the thing where we see am na motor that for cement where they don't put fire for day, motor for cement, calling people where they put fire for day. This motor is the burner for that side for Dikome Bafon and for Konya subdivision. Then plenty village and too as well as the Siam. They don't bomb plenty of the village and for that side. The big question I say now who born the village them and now who born that motor. Nothing that way no man in no be fit for answer. As well come out for Dikome Bafon side. With the worker go down so for inside Konya subdivision. For different sides, business it dey happen fine. All man a day for outside, it dey sell it for inside market. You understand? And the place over far away for place where they call and say DOE office for that side so for Manfe, yeah for inside Konya. Far away for place where Konya say their own man it is done. But the other two will say and for road and say all door them for people that they lock. Who side they put they don't go? Tori will be enter with Tori put their ear. Now say all them they don't run enter for Sosongo. And all side where the people they turn up. I say all side where the people they turn up. Nakamamburu this. Control all side. I say all side control every day. And will be take style to as well the worker. Where the also seen at different houses. Where people they don't run come out for Kendem side. You understand? Kendem then and for that side so for Manu division. Now for Manchester we would already enter so. For that side all team it don't despoil. All things it don't despoil. And as well we talk on the people then for inside the chapter we see even that bridge where they fix them. Yes, some bridge there for that side where they fix and so called people. Some bridge there they fix and I can them this. Now for inside my division we already enter for this so called people them. Now the bridge there for down there. Normal this work if we don't get for finish since for since for 2017. You understand? December 2017 where the work for don't finish. But we see as well Caterpillar and the other bibi ngongoro them. They did also work for day. But the road na fine road there. The road na fine road. Even as well on side they way it gets some small complaint like a kind of place where motor be spoiled. But other side the day way the road is dey fine. When we show na that bridge where they fix up na correct bridge. I say correct road. When normal if it start pass it go be na see am fine road. It is here no. The road if you don't get for finish since. But no ask ambassador why they never give the work so today. No ask me. But we'll be see as when Gongoro them, Caterpillar them, all them. They be the work for day. They be the work for day for say all thing it work fine. So call the people them. Now so we work for that side so for Konya subdivision. So they will reach from Manu. Nothing that we will see with our crow eye. We know the talk now say we be or we know the talk say I hear say. You understand? Nothing that see fine na the bridge at the bridge so now for that side so for Manfe side fine bridge fine road you see the road fine road better road but only say they our road they ever been a small road there where we so ton knock man knock this side knock for this side anyhow